Kia ora koutou, nau mai hara mai ki te whititua waru. Anei ngā kopu, nei, nā, rā, tēnei, tēnā, tera. Whakarongo mai. He aha tēnei, he aha tēnei. He whare tēnā, he aha tēnā, he whare tēnei. He aha tērā, he whare tērā. Ka pai, let's go through and translate so you know what you're saying. He aha tēnei. What is this when speaking to someone? And they can say back and reply, he whare tēnā. That by you is a house. Ka pai, he aha tēnā. Now I'm asking someone, what is that by you? They would reply, he whare tēnei. This is a house. He aha tērā. Now when speaking to someone about something away from both of you, he aha tērā, what is that over there? He whare tērā. That over there is a house. Haere tonu. He aha e nei. He ika e na. He aha e na. He ika e nei. He aha e ra. He ika e ra. Very similar to the top, but now when we're using plural for more than one, we take away the T. He aha e nei, what are these? He aha e na, what are those by you? And he aha e ra, what are those away from both of us? Ka pai, and when you reply, he aha e nei, he ika e na. Okay, what are these? Those by you are fish. He aha e na, what are those by you? He ika e nei, these are fish. And he aha e ra, what are those over there away from us? He ika e ra, those over there are fish. Ka pai, other things you can do with this lesson too is ask what are the colours of the house, of this house? What are the colours of that house by you? What are the colours of that house over there? Ka pai. For an example, he aha ngā tai o tēnei whare. The reply, he whero, he mā, ngā tai o tēnā whare. Okay, and with the plural, he aha ngā tai o e nei ika. And I would reply, he karaka, he kōwhai, ngā tai o e nā ika. Ka pai tēnei te whititua waru. Go over this a few times to get used to it, as in asking the question and also answering. Nō reira, kia ora tātou.